Refraction explained. Refraction, in case you did not know, is a bending of light waves. So, if you look from above at this pencil, which is partially submerged in water, it appears bent. You need to remember, when we see any object, we see it because the light waves are coming off that object and reaching our eyes. But light waves, they will behave differently in different materials. They will travel faster or slower based on the material that they're in. Light waves go faster through air than plastic or water. So let's put aside for a second the light and imagine a car traveling down a road and it comes in contact with a patch of sand or even ice. Just like a light wave, the car slows down when it comes into contact with a different material. Now, imagine it reaches the material at an angle. The first wheel to contact, say the sand, will slow down while the other wheels continue with their present speed. The one wheel which comes in contact with the sand first will cause the car to change its path of direction just ever so slightly. In other words, shift until all four wheels are on the same material. Once all four wheels are on the same material, it will carry on in that direction, but it's not the same direction that it was traveling before hitting the sand.